My idea was not doing design pieces. It was more finding a way to express the amazing craftsmanship and the amazing knowledge in working with marble.
It was amazing, the craftsmanship and the work that goes into working with marble. It's absolutely stunning.
In Italy, you don't work with big business. You work with family.
Yeah.
You know, you're the father, you're the sisters and the brother. It's very like a holiday. It's a hobby.
Hello everyone and welcome to Design Discussions with Nadine. I'm Nadine and I am in Salone here with Christophe. And we're in Milano once again, and I'm in Kreoo's booth. And if everybody remembers, I have a great relationship with Kreoo. I have an episode with the owner, Gabriella. But today we're going to talk to one of their designers about all the beautiful products. And everything in this booth is actually designed by you. So let's talk a little bit about that. What was your inspiration behind these designs?
When we started 2 years ago, designing collections, my idea was not doing design pieces. It was more finding a way to express the amazing craftsmanship and the amazing knowledge in working with marble. And all I designed since then, and again in this collection, is simple, not so simple, they look simple. Simple product that really holds and carry and enhance this millenary tradition of Italian in working the marble. So it sounds simple, but it's very complex, but the complexity is not on my side. It's really on their know-how.
On the fabrication side.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, I mean, marble is such a staple in Italy, and most people know that. How do you feel like the working with marble differs from other materials, even in the design aspect?
Working in marble in Italy is working with the history, is working from the Roman age to the Rinascente, and today. So it's not only working with a physical material, it's working with a cultural material. And it's make a lot of difference because here the hero is not my design, it's not the designer, is really how to insert those products in a very long tradition, in a very long history. So it looks easy, it looks simple, but it's substantial, you know, what we have to do. So for me, of course, it's a material also, but they know more than me. You know, I just sketch and say, this is possible. They always say this is possible, and they're always doing much better than what I've sketches because they have ideas, because they have the knowledge, and this is what is terrifically interesting working with such a company. They know more than you on everything, and you're just, I mean, I'm not really useful here. I'm just a partner to make them playing the game, but just to be back on the marble. They know more than me about the marble, and I try just to convince them that just making a small ashtray is not enough. They need to be the sons of 5,000 years of tradition in working in marble. So that's the game here.
Yeah, when I visited over the summertime and Gabriella took me through to the facility in the back, it was amazing, the craftsmanship and the work that goes into working with marble. It's absolutely stunning.
Yeah, what is amazing is that there is two parts in this. There is the very traditional part, and I'm sketching by hand, and the prototypes are made by hand with traditional sculpting people. Then this is the proto phase, which is exactly the same way of working than 3,000 years ago. Then when we are happy with the prototype, comes the new era. So everything is digitalized and you have robots and machines. But there is still this strong connections of the technology with the handmaking and the very antique knowledge.
So how long have you worked with Kreoo, and how did you come about working with them?
I mean, this is the second year we're working together. We met in a very different context. They're also the mother brand is Décor Marmi, and they are doing interiors. Fantastic mosaic, fantastic works on walls and sculpting the walls. And I have also an activity of interior designer. So this is the way we met.
Okay.
And when I saw the catalog, I just say, oh, this is amazing what they're doing on the walls, on the interior. Why don't they express themselves the same way on product? So, and we talk about this idea, and they were, it's a nice family. It's really Italian in that way, you know. In Italy, you don't work with big business. You work with family.
Yeah.
You know, you have the father, you have the sisters, and the brother. It's very it's like a holiday. It's a hobby. And step by step, we add trust together, and we are very happy to still working, sketching. And so it happened very easily, naturally.
Do you have a favorite piece that you've designed in this collection?
If I had one, I wouldn't say it because I don't know. I'm never happy with what I'm doing, but maybe those candle holders are very the closest design from what I was expecting from our collaboration, bringing a tradition to a contemporary expression, but not knowing if those products have been designed today, 20 years ago, or 20 years from now.
Yeah. I mean, everything is amazing. The first eye-catching thing I saw when we walked in was the amazing table. That's beautiful. And, you know, of course, all of the sinks and everything that you're doing. And then I wanted to point out this item here in the middle. What is that there?
Oh, this is fun. I like it. This is almost a deja vu. This is a shower tray. In the Italian countryside tradition, you have stone trays. They don't have bathtubs. They have trays for shower. And there are large stone things like this. So this is, and I didn't really design it. I picked it in some book, you know, but I just transform it into a heavy, substantial piece of stone, of marble. It looks now a bit almost religious, but it's very traditional and it's very countryside.
Oh, okay, that's beautiful. I love that. Now, of course, me being from the United States, have you done any work or any design work in the United States?
Yeah, I've done something. I mean, in another time, I was very much involved into doing shops, and so I've been doing fashion shops for. I don't know if you remember Catherine Malandrino all over the US. I've been doing Lacoste shops because I was working a long time for Lacoste. And we're still working making for Technion, for example, office furniture, outdoor furniture. So we are still strongly connected with the US. We can talk hours if you want, but no, I think it's important really to understand, and it's very sincere. I am a designer, I'm a furniture designer, but on this very specific project with Kreoo, I try not to be designer. This is more about art directing is a bit dramatic, but it's more coaching.
Okay.
This is a better word. How they should not do design pieces, how they should design the continuity of the cultural way of the Italian tradition in working the marble. So I'm not doing much, really, sincerely and honestly. I'm just trying to convince them just to be on the right way. So I love this job because I'm a bit lazy and I'm not doing things. We're talking a lot, and I like this way of partnership, which is people talking to people and exchanging things more than a company working with a professional protagonist.
So it's brainstorming together to come
to
do something
very
beautiful.
Human feelings, human emotion, human talking together. And I think this is one of the mystery of the Italian design. They are not now, it's a bit different. But the invention of design in Italy, it was not brands talking to professional. It was people desiring working together with other people. And this is what we're doing here.
So why is Italy so good in design compared to other countries?
There is different legends about that. The one I prefer is the one that long time ago a very famous architect told me, Ettore Sozzas. He said, we were a very poor country after war. We lost the war. We were poor. We had nothing to do, no economies. When we started again, trying to be in the market, we had no way to do, nothing to do. So we're just trying to do little ordinary thing, but to do them good, to do them nice. So there is an amazing attention of doing nice, and nice was their way to survive at this time. So there was a concentration of importance in being nice. So this is one possible explanation of design in Italy.
Been nice, but elevated it to much more than nice, right?
Nice as a religion.
That's great. Well, thank you, Christophe, for sitting
you
with
very
us.
much.
I can't wait to show everybody all the beautiful design work that you do here. And until then, stay tuned for the next one. Bye.